Hey guys, thank you for tuning in. This is your show, the Crypto Accountant Show, the Accountant Show, and I'm your host, Machiko Akijibo. So I want to say big thank you. This is the Sunday edition. Thank you for tuning in. I want to say big thank you to all our existing subscribers. And if you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and also like some of our videos and watch them. And you can drop a comment, one or two or more if you want. So thank you for tuning in to the Accountant Show. I'm a crypto accountant, and we're going to be taking it on from here. So we're looking at the big board, coin market cap. We're looking at 11,965 cryptos, walking through 411 exchanges. Coin market cap sitting at $2,125,000,000 with an $83 million 24 hours volume, with Bitcoin dominating with 42.2% and Ethereum dominating with 18.6%. Pretty much that for now. The market is pretty much on the downtrend, but we're hopeful that this coming week that things will turn around into the bull run for the year, the last bull run for the year in full. Bitcoin is sitting at $47,000 and Ethereum 3,300. Cardano is sitting at 235. XRP has been consolidating between the $1.05 mark and the $1.08 mark. Solana still at 157 after the network down trend, but I think it's coming up. Polkadot waking up right now. I think the movers, the existing the existing addresses in Solana, after that lockdown, after that breakdown, I think they just moved to Polkadot. We can see Polkadot making some little move. That's pretty much what we're going to be taking. Then we want to go straight to the topic of the day. I want to talk about two cryptocurrencies. That's the XYO and also LCX. So this is XYO. So XYO is the XY Oracle network. So it's a protocol, and they're doing pretty much, and so much is happening. I came in at XYO at I think 1 cent. Yeah. XYO moved less than 1 cent. I think it was 0.001. Yeah, so that was like a month ago or 2 months ago thereabout, and there was actually a spike in the price, and it moved all the way to 5 cents. So that was over 1,000% profit. So if you haven't heard about XYO, this is pretty much what XYO is. XYO is a network of devices that anonymously collects and validates geospatial data or data with a geographic component. The validation of this data is a key part of this network protocol and a major point for understanding its potential benefit for all. So looking at the network, you've got the Sentinel, you've got the bridge. What the Sentinel does is that it cross paths together. That's when you say cross path. What it does is it joins data from various locations. That's what we mean by the geospatial. The geospatial data is data that is synonymous with a particular location. So what Sentinel does is that Sentinel now brings those data from various geolocations and validates them. So that's what it pretty much does. You've got the bridge that transfers the data from some place to another place safe. You've got the archivist, you've got the diviner, and so on. So understanding the protocol, bound witness, see it, catch it, and save it. Proof of origin, trusting the network from the start, and that is the proof of origin actually has to do with the validation of the nodes, from the decentralized systems. You've got the relative versus absolute data and stuff. So you can pretty much read through the sites. So they're pretty much talking about geospatial here. You can see that it said data that is geospatial data is data that is associated to a particular location or space. It can be a variety of data such as temperature, humidity, number of sheep per square inch, but needs to be connected to a specific location. So what XYO is doing is XYO is providing data and also validating that data. So it simply means that blockchains around the world, or developers around the world would actually rely on this data. Pretty much what vector space is actually doing, but vector space is more of AI, but it's wrapped around data, so XYO is another brand in that data space, so that's that, and they're open to smart contracts. For those who are wondering what smart contract is, the idea behind the idea behind smart contracts is that it's a legal agreement, but the legal agreement now, it's going to be validated by decentralized nodes or computers. It doesn't need a broker or a middleman, so the nodes, or these decentralized nodes or validators, actually do not need anyone to actually tell them what to do. They are the ones who are to implement the terms of that contract. That's what makes it a smart contract. Like you see here, it was coined by Nick Szabo before Bitcoin in 1994, and that's pretty much XYO. So looking at XYO, I wanted to go through the clients that XYO's got. I'm talking about the XYO Foundation. XYO is providing a blockchain foundation for all. The XYO Foundation offers resources to educate individuals, developers, and enterprises who are excited about the possibilities of a location-based data network built on shared incentives. So their client base is pretty huge. We can't really go deep into that because we need to move and talk about the LCX token. So XYO is pretty much down now. Yeah, it's down to like 3 cents, but you want to get that now because it's still got so much to go, so much space to go. If you come in now, I see a 4 or 5x, probably before the end of this bull run. You never know, it could be more, it could be less, it cannot be up to my permutations, but you would definitely get some money back for your investment. So that's pretty much on XYO, and now we're going to be looking at LCX. LCX is an exchange. Let's go through that. Let's go up here. So LCX Exchange is a regulated trading venue offering a range of digital currencies. Get access to new and fast growing tokens first. Okay, so the LCX Exchange is a regulated trading venue offering a range of digital currencies. It's the next generation digital asset exchange. So much for LCX. In 2020, LCX secured approvals for 8 blockchain registrations, with the registration allowing LCX to offer the broadest scope of blockchain services alongside our sophisticated crypto compliance suites. For the Pro Exchange, LCX's crypto assets trading platform has been built from the ground up, leveraging the proficiency of our progressive crypto portfolio desk, LCX Terminal, LCX DeFi Terminal. Yeah, so they're saying that by 2027, more than $8 trillion will be stored on blockchain networks. I'm talking about NFTs, I'm talking about other forms of digital assets, DeFi, and your crypto assets, basically. So they need to be traded somewhere. So that is why LCX is here. So they know that the marketplace for trading this new level of digital assets will actually need to be created. So LCX is trying to fill that space, and they're doing pretty much well because they are a member of the World Economic Forum, and we know that the World Economic Forum, the digital currency group, these guys actually run the financial system of the world. So you want to be a part of LCX. You want to be a part of their token as well, because we've seen the likes of Binance. We've seen how the BNB token has actually skyrocketed. Just before our very eyes, we saw the BNB price move to the stratosphere, and we could be able to see LCX token do stuff like that, because LCX is not here to joke. They're here for business. So if I'm talking about XCX, it simply means that LCX is going to the moon. LCX is building the infrastructure for this new financial world, powering professional crypto finance. So I think the price action for LCX is about 16 cents. You want to go that route. So what am I leaving out? Okay, so LCX is providing banking and finance, one of the world's best places for finance, from its triple AA rating to its banking expertise. LCX is also providing tokenization, legal clarity for security token offerings, STOs, and tokenization of assets. LCX also got the exchange license, possible registration and licensing for the token economy, trading and transferring of digital assets. LCX is also providing that market access, direct market access to the European Economic Area, the EEA, and Switzerland. They provide security framework, regulating custody and storage, issuance and management of crypto assets. That's pretty much LCX. Because one of their aim is to tokenize everything from arts to real estate to any form of asset that you can think about. The whole idea is the whole world is going towards blockchain. Everything is going blockchain. Everything is going digital. And if everything is going digital, we need a market where we can sell these things, where we can buy and sell and store this digital assets. So LCX is coming to fill up that space. So LCX's infrastructure will be the basis for the future of digital assets. LCX is building a blockchain ecosystem, enabling institutional merchants and consumer access digital assets in a secure, trusted ecosystem. LCX aims to build a new infrastructure for digital finance, focusing on all aspects of compliance and regulation, investing to build AML and KYC technology solutions at the institutional and consumer level, including on-chain analytics and surveillance for all crypto deposits and withdrawals. LCX is going to be huge in the nearest future. Let me take you through the price action for LCX. Let's wait for that to upload. Okay. Can we just see the price action for LCX real quick? Okay, so the internet is pretty slow right now. I don't know why, for whatever reason. So that's pretty much what I'm going to take in on the video. So guys, LCX, XYO, it simply might not be like your major crypto holdings, but it's something you just want to hold in the mix. Something you want to hold with your main crypto assets investment. So guys, check them out, XYO and LCX. If you like the video, please smash on the like button and also turn on your notification bell, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you to over 400 subscribers. We want to see the YouTube channel hit 1,000 subscribers so that we can start getting paid. So thank you guys for tuning to the show. Till I see you again. Bye for now.